What if we had 3 different years that we wanted to put the same title at the top? First of all, what you do is you highlight the first one. You click on the first tab down here. You hold the Shift key down. And now you see all 3 of them are highlighted. So whatever I do to one, it will do to all 3. Let's say up here, I go ahead and highlight all these cells. And I go to Merge and Center. Then I go ahead and put Carl Enterprise. Excuse me. And we hit Enter. We go back and we want to make it larger. And we bold it. And we change the color of the font. And we can even make a blue background if we'd like. Now, watch what happens. Now remember, I've done all this. Now look at 2019 and 2020. All 3 of them have the same thing at the top. That's how you put your headings on all your worksheets that you're getting ready to work on all at the same time. Simply highlight the first one, hold the Shift key down, and now it doesn't matter if there's 10 of them. You hold the Shift key down and click the last one. And whatever you put at the top, it will put it on all 10 worksheets.